Good morning. It's just another beautiful day. Today it's a little bit more nice to live. 23 outside. And starting from tomorrow, 25, 22, so I'm happy, you know. Finally I can find some peace so I can sleep nicely. Today we have a iPhone 6 Touch IC. Yeah. This phone was sent from the other shop. We have another shop. And they replaced the screen, but actually the touch is not working, the touch screen. So let's plug the screen and check. Yeah, and the battery. One more day, and it's Friday and I have 2 days off. Okay. Yeah, so the phone is on. Yeah. But the touchscreen is not working. You can see. Even if you press shutdown. Nothing. Yeah. And the last time I see like a lot of things. These kind of things like iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, 6 Plus with the touch IC issue. And we are charging £60 for this job. So yeah. If you learn to do touch IC, you can. If you learn it, you know you can do some nice money. On eBay, there are a lot of people they advertise touch IC things, repair motherboards. It's a business. It's a good business. Maybe I should start doing it because the problem is I'm stuck here. You know, I can't do nothing. So I just need more freedom. Where everyone needs more freedom. One second. Okay. Let's take the board out. The board is out. Okay. Wow, that's liquid damage. Look. That's liquid damage. You see that marks? Yeah, that's liquid damage. Let's take out this cover. Oh, yeah, that can be a reason why the touchscreen is not working. That can be a good reason. Let me switch the camera. Okay, but inside it's looking good. Let me check under the microscope. Yeah, are sign of liquid damage. You know what, let's clean this one. Let's see, maybe it's working. Maybe it's working. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's cool now. Okay, let's put the screen back. Nah. I'm not lucky. You see, no luck. No. No. It's not my lucky day. Not today. Not today. Oh, I can't believe. Wow. Yeah. So let's replace the touch AC, please. Microscope. Hmm. Okay. So that's our chip. Like how I told you. When the touch is not working, you replace this chip. When you have gray lines, you replace this one. Yeah? Okay. Hmm. Let's use some flux, liquid flux. Okay. Yeah, be careful, you have the power manager chip next to this. So be careful. Hmm. Yeah, okay. You know what, this should be a quick job. Let's go with 360. 360. Okay. So how I'll take this out? Come on. No. I have to take that capacitor out first. And I can't because this tweezer is too big. And even this is too big. And a simple job get complicated. Yeah, that's good. Stay there. And a simple job get complicated. Yeah, the chip is out. It's a Broadcom chip. Yeah, looks perfect. I think it's ready for a new chip. Let me find another chip. And this here. Is nothing hard. Where's the new chip? Okay, the new chip looks funny. Let's be sure it's fine. Yeah, it is okay. It is fine. Yeah, it's fine. He'll be fine, I'm sure. Oh, come on. Why? Just stay there. On your place. You know what? You need more flux. Oh yeah, it's fine. He'll be fine. Let me cool down the board. You know, these things are great, you know, these thermal pads. They suck the heat like in the next second. Now it's not even cold. It's not even hot. So let's test it. Let's see. Oh, the capacitor. Ah, I forgot about that capacitor. That's because the weekend is close. It's near. I forgot about that one. Come on. Why? Yes, that's my luck. And obviously I can't find it. Nah. Oh yeah, it's here. I think it's the first time when I found a capacitor which is blown by air. Why you hate me? That's great. Yeah, that's great. It's not a good day for repairs. Let's check. Hopefully it's working. Oh, low battery. Okay, it's on. Yeah. Someone asked me, text me, asked me about who is the girl who worked with me. She's my wife. We always work together, even before. Oh yeah, it's working fine. So from like 10 years, more, 12 years, we're all working together. So she is with the phones, replacing the phone screens, the laptop screens, doing the software and all the things, even charging ports. And yeah, I try to teach her more. I told her, oh, you know what, you can learn to fix motherboards. And she told me, yeah, you can learn to wash dishes, you know, cook food. And I said, you know what, just leave it, you know, it's enough. I fix motherboards, so you don't have to learn. Yeah. Yeah, everything is working fine, yeah. Yeah, looks like that was the problem. The touch IC. Yeah? So keep in mind. This is an easy job. It's not hard, you just have to be careful. Yeah? I'll try to find more jobs. And also I'll try to find more motherboards. Jobs. And I'll try to explain everything, starting for the North Bridge, South Bridge, power supplies, everything, you know, everything. Yeah, I understand now. Yeah, I made some videos and I didn't explain. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you later if I'll find something good. Anyway, yeah. Thank you. Bye.